Bismillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are talking about powers and the exponent. What is the meaning of a power? What is the meaning of exponent? The power and the exponent have the same meaning. So that's what we'll know today, inshallah, about the power. So suppose that we have here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's addition. You know that we have a relation between addition and multiplication. Do you know what is the relation between addition and the multiplication? Relation between addition and the multiplication. I'll put all of the hands down, and if you know the answer, please raise your hand. If you know the answer now, please raise your hand. Okay, Walid, what is the relation between addition and the multiplication?
Addition, like 5 plus 5 equal, and multiplication, it's like 5 multiplied by 5. You add 5 times. Like
yes,
5.
That's what I need. So multiplication is repeated of addition. When you repeat the addition, it's mean you convert the addition to be multiplication. That's what I need.
See,
so now
5?
we have here. So now we have here 5 is repeated how many times?
4 times.
So we'll convert it to be 5 times 4. That is the meaning of multiplication. Multiplication is
5 times 4 equal 20.
No, I don't need the answer. I don't need the answer. I don't need the answer. I just need to convert between the addition and the multiplication. What is the relation between the addition and multiplication? That's all what I need now. In this is the only part. So when I say that 5 times 4, it's mean we have here 5 is repeated 4 times, or 4 it's repeated 5 times. So can you convert? I need to ask. Thanks, Farid. So Yusuf Khattabi, I need you to convert the multiplication to be addition. I need
Okay, mister.
2 times 3. Convert 2 times 3 to be addition.
3 plus 3 plus 3 equals
3, you will repeat it how many times?
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3. Or
2 plus 2 plus 2.
You have 3 to repeat it. 3 is repeated 2 times, or 2 is repeated 3 times.
3 times.
Or we can say that 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Plus 2.
Okay. So that is the relation between a multiplication and addition. So I will put the hand down, and if you have any problem for this point, if you don't understand this one, please raise your hand. Abdul Ghani, what is the problem?
Why did 4?
Leave the marks now, ya Abdul Ghani. You can send me a message after we finish, and we will discuss. No problem for that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand for this part. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand for this part. Okay. So we said the multiplication is repeated of addition. What if we multiply? What if we repeat the multiplication? And instead of repeating an addition, I will say that 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. When you repeat the multiplication, it will be converted to be power or exponent. So which number that has been repeated, which is 5. We repeat 5 how many times? 4 times. So it will be 5 times 5 to the power 4. Again for this one. When I say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which number have been repeated? 3. 3 is repeated how many times in multiplication? 5. So we can say that this one will be 3 to the power 5. Any problem for this one? Any problem for this one? Any problem for this one? Okay. So now 5 is called base. The number that have been repeated is base. Repeated how many times in multiplication is called power or exponent. So now which one is the power, which one is the exponent for the second one? If you know the answer, please raise your hand. If you know the answer, please, which one is the power? Which one is the exponent? Malik. Malik.
Yes, sister.
Which one is the power? Which one is the base?
The base is 3 times 3
No,
times 3.
the base. I need only which number is called the base? 3 or 5?
3
3 is the base, and the 5 is called
power.
power or exponent. The same meaning. Any problem for this one? Any problem? Okay. So when I say that 7 to the power 3, I need to convert now the power to be the power to be multiplication. So who can solve this one with me? Walid. Walid.
Yes, mister.
Okay. Can you solve this one, please? 7 to the power 3. Convert 7 to the power 3 to be exponent, to be multiplication. That's the exponent form. I need to convert to be multiplication.
7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3.
No. When I say 7 to the power 3, it's mean you repeat. When I say 7 times 3, what is the meaning of 7 times 3? 7 times 3.
Equal.
Not equal. What is the meaning of 7 times 3? Like what we said now. What is the meaning of 2 times 3? It's mean 2 is repeated 3 times, 2 is repeated 3 times, or 3 is repeated 2 times. So what is the meaning of
3 times?
7 repeated in multiplication 3 times. So it will be 7 times 7 times 7.
7.
Any problem for this one?
No.
Okay.
It's easy.
So open your book, please. Open your book. Page. Open your book. Page 95. Page 95. Open your book, page 95. Who can solve with me question number 1? Abdurrahman. Question number 2. What is the answer for number 2? We need to write each product using the exponent. We need to write each product using the exponent. Question number 2.
Question number 2.
Yes.
10 repeated 10 times.
10 repeated 10 times?
Yeah.
10 repeated 10 times? Repeated in what? I need to using exponent.
Exponent.
Power.
Oh, yeah. 10 power 10.
10 power 10. Ibrahim Galhoum.
Miss,
Ibrahim Galhoum. What is the answer for this one?
100. It's 100.
I don't need the answer. I need to write the product. You remember this one? You remember this one? That is the power form, the exponent form. That's the multiplication form. When I say 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, I don't need the answer. I need to convert from multiplication to exponent and from the exponent to multiplication. So when I say that 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, it's mean 5 is repeated 4 times in multiplication, so it will be 5 to the power 4. Again, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 is repeated 5 times in multiplication, so it will be 3 raised to the power 5.
Okay.
So again, I need to solve this one. Question number 2. How are we going to solve this one?
10, the power of it is 2.
10 is repeated 2 times. So 10, we have 10 is repeated 2 times, so it will be 10 to the power 2. Okay. So that is the meaning of write each of the following using exponents. Using exponent, I need to convert from multiplication form to the exponent form or to the power form. Okay, so who can solve with me question number 3? Muhammad Tamer. Muhammad Tamer. Huh?
Yes. Number 3.
Yes.
8. And like this, look.
I will not look. I can see you. 8.
Yeah. 8. 8. Exponent 4.
Power 8 to the power 4. To read it,
Yeah.
you can say that 8 to the power 4 or 8
8
raised to the power 4. 8 power 4.
And can I answer number 4 again?
No, no, we need another one. Hamza. Hamza Tariq. Yeah, Hamza.
Yeah,
Okay.
want to answer number 4. Okay. Six. Mister, you are muted. You are muted, yeah, Mister. You are
Sorry.
muted.
Okay, Yusuf.
I know the answer.
So what is the
number
answer
4,
for
yes?
this one? Yes.
Number 4, 3 powered by 6.
3 raised to the power 6. 3 power 6. Okay, thanks, Yusuf. We need the other one. We need Abdul Ghani. Solve with me question number 5. Abdul Ghani.
5 power 5.
5 power 5. Okay. So the second one we need number 6. Number 6, Malik.
Number 6 is 9 to the power of 4.
Yes, number 6, 9 to the power 4. Okay. So when you finish, you can mute yourself because I will open your, I will unmute you again. Abdurrahman,
Yes, Mister.
question number 7.
Question number 7. 1 over 4. 1 power 4.
Not 4.
5.
1 is repeated 5 times, so it will be 1 to the power 5. Okay. So when you finish, just mute yourself, okay? Muhammad, Walid. Walid. Now
Yes,
I
mister.
need you to write. For this one, I give you the
I know.
number with the power.
I know.
Then we need to convert to the product. After that, I need to find the value, find the answer.
Okay. We
So read
must
the
do 10 4 times.
10 4 times for what? Like 10, 10, 10, like
10
that?
multiplied by
Yes.
No,
So I
10
will
multiplied
repeat
by
10 in
4.
multiplication 4
Yes.
times. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So what is the value? What is the answer for this one?
The answer is 10 the power is 4.
No, I need the answer, the value. When I say 3 times, make it 5 times 5. 5 times 5, I need the value. When I ask you, find, we have 3 different types of the question for this lesson. Just 1 minute
Yes.
to understand.
14.
Please, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute to understand this one. We have 3 different types of question until now for this lesson. For this lesson, we have 3 different types. Number 1, that's question number 1. Write each product as an exponent. What is the meaning of write each product as an exponent? I give you the product, then I need you to convert to B power. Like 5 times 5. I don't need the answer. I just need you to convert to B power. That is the first idea.
Yes.
The idea number 2. I need you to write each power as a product. That's number 2. So when I have 5 to the power 2, I don't need the answer. I just need it 5 times 5. The idea number 3, which is find its value. Find the value. So when I say 5 to the power 2 or 5 times 5, I need the answer to be 25. So when I ask you about the value, I need the answer. When I ask you to convert the power as a product, I need only the product. I don't need the answer.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So what is the answer for this one?
The answer is 14.
No. At the first, if you need to multiply any number with 0, count how many zeros that we have.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4
Try the
zeros.
4 zeros. Then multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals?
1.
That's
1,000.
all. Yeah, 10,000. 10, 1, 2, 3, 10,000.
Okay.
Any problem for this one?
No, thank you.
Okay, welcome. So, Walid finished. We need the next one. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Only few students are solving with me. So, if you know the answer, please try to participate with me, please. So, only we have 3. Ibrahim, huh? Who else? I need the one who didn't solve. Ahmad. Yeah, Ahmad. Okay. We need question number 9. Ahmad.
Me, Hamza.
Hamza? Okay, Hamza.
3 multiplied by 3 equal
At the first, I
3.
convert to multiplication or the product.
Yeah.
Now I need
Yeah.
the value. Which
Now
is?
it's 3
Times 3
33.
equals? 3 times 3 equals 33?
No, 3 times 3 is 9.
9, okay, thanks. So we need the other one. Another one to solve. Yusuf. Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. How we solve this one?
Okay. Uh, 729.
Leave. I need now number one, convert the product. So convert the power to be product. That's number 1.
Equals 729.
Please. Number 1, convert to product. So what is the answer for number 1? Convert the power to be product. Huh. My question is convert the power to be product. That's my question. I didn't ask any other question. Convert the power to be product. That's my question.
Three times.
What is the meaning of 3? Just inform me. Tell me what I have to write. If you don't, if you are lazy to say, so please don't raise your hand. Just inform me what I have to write, and I will write. You close the mic. Okay. So Ibrahim Galhoum. I need to convert the power to be product. What I have to write?
3 nines. Like 9
3
times
9.
9.
3. That's the meaning of 3 9 for me. This is the answer.
9.
Yes.
9 times 9 times 9.
Okay. So what is the answer now? How we can solve this one? At the first, we divide it into group. 9 times 9 is 27. So 81. And 81 times 9. So the answer now will be?
729.
Yes, 729. Okay. So who can solve with me the next question? Yusuf Khattabi. Okay.
Okay, mister. 6 multiplied by 6, 5 times. 6 multiplied by 6, 6
Okay, 6. I will repeat 6 in multiplication 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How are we going to multiply this one? If we have 10, just we put the 0, then we multiply by 1. Huh?
Yes.
How are we going to multiply
that? We will do groups.
Groups. So we have here 3 groups and 2 groups. The first one, 6 times 6 is 36.
Yes.
So 6 times 6?
36.
36 times 6
plus
times 6?
66 times 6.
We multiply 6 times 6 is 36. Now again we multiply it by 6.
I know.
Step by step.
9.
Step by step. 6 times 6?
36.
6 and carry up 3.
Okay.
Solve slowly. 6 times 3?
6 multiplied by 3 equal 18.
Plus 3?
Plus 18 plus 3 equal 21.
Yes. So the first group that we have now, the answer of the first group, 216. The answer for the second group is 36. So now we're going to multiply 216 times 36. So how are we gonna multiply this one? Just multiply with me step by step. I don't need the answer. Just multiply step by step. Because if there is any mistake, we know where is the mistake.
Okay, Mister, I will try in a page.
Just solve with me. Solve with me. Yusuf, you will solve or not?
I will solve.
Solve with me.
776.
How you find this answer?
Mister, in the paper, I did like you did in the first one.
Okay, solve with me.
6 multiplied by 6.
Solve with me, please.
Okay.
Yes, solve
Okay.
times 6.
6 multiplied by 6 equals 36.
Okay, 6 and carry up 3. Okay.
4 multiplied by 3 equal.
Where is 4?
Multiplied.
Where is 4?
3 plus 4.
We make addition. So because of that, I need step by step. We add at the first, then we multiply. You know why I'm asking you step by step now? To know the mistake. We didn't solve addition at the first. We just multiply, then add. Multiplication, then add.
Okay, equal 3 and then 3.
How
3 plus 3.
6 times 1. 6 times
6.
1.
6 times 1 equals 6. Plus 3 equal 9.
Okay. Then?
6
You're solving using calculator. You solve using a calculator.
6 multiplied. 6 multiplied by 2
equals.
Equal 6 multiplied by 2 equal 12.
Okay. Then
12 and then 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6.
Where I have to write 6? Here?
No, we will 6 plus 1 equals 7.
No. Who can continue solving with me the multiplication? Continue solving the multiplication. Abdurrahman? Continue solving the multiplication. Continue multiplying.
Okay. He stopped from 6 times 12 times 2.
Yes.
Okay. We will put 0 down.
Okay, put 0 at the first. Because you multiply here 3. That's the second number. So just put 1 0. Okay, because this number is 30.
Then you will 3 times 6 equals 18.
8 and carry up 1.
Then 3 times 1 equals 3 and it will be 4 plus 1
okay.
is 4.
Then
3 times 2 equals 6.
By adding
6 and 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7 carry up 1 and 2 3 and 4 7. Then 1 and 6 7.
So the answer now would be 7,776. Okay. So is there any problem for this one? Any problem? If you didn't understand all of that, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand, I'm not solving any question. If you didn't understand, only raise your hand if you didn't understand. Only raise your hand if you didn't understand. To know if there is any problem or not. Any problem? Okay. Now in this question, that is the fourth idea in the question. So the first one that we have, number 1, we need to convert the product to be exponent. Number 2, convert the power or the exponent to be product. Number 3, find the value. Now number 4. Number 4, we need to write the prime factorization as exponent. The prime factorization. Remember the prime factorization that we did last time? We need to write the answer as an exponent. So who can solve with me question number 12? Muhammad Amir, question number 12. At the first, I need the prime factorization for 25. Write the prime factorization for 25. So how are we going to solve this one?
What is it?
The prime factorization for this one.
No, I said what page is it?
Leave the page. Look at the screen and solve.
Which one?
Question number 12. Write the prime factorization.
2 times.
I need the prime factorization. Who can solve with me question number Malik? Malik, I need the prime factorization for the 25.
5 and 5.
I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 25, so it will be 5 and 5. Then 5 is a prime or composite number?
Prime.
Prime, so circle the number. 5 is a prime, also 5. So how many 5 that we have? 25 is equals 5 times 5. Now we need to convert that to be power, to be exponent. How are we going to convert that?
5
to
and 2
the power?
Power is 2.
The power is 2. Okay, thanks. So that is the meaning of converting, writing the prime factorization using exponents. So, Walid, can you solve with me question number 13?
Okay.
Question number 13. We need 56. We need to write its prime factorization at the first. After that, as 25, I wrote it as 5 times 5. After writing that, now we need to write as exponent.
Okay, we must put like 5 multiplied by.
I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 56.
Okay.
Two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 56.
16 multiplied by 5.
16 times 5 equals 80. I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer. We need to revise the timetable. The timetable is important because we are going to the division. 10 times any number. If you multiply 10 times any number, the ones digit must be 0.
I know, I know to do multiplying by this like 3 digits, not 2.
My question is, I need two numbers. If you multiply them together, the answer will be 56. I need two numbers. If you choose any two numbers, if you multiply them, the answer is 56. Try to think, where did you find 56?
12 multiplied by
There is
5.
no 12. 12 times 5? 12 times 5 equals 60. So who can solve, Abdurrahman?
Yes, mister.
I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 56.
4 times 9. No.
4 times 9, 36.
No. It's 6 times.
There is no 6 times anything equals 56. I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 56.
8 times 7.
8 times 7. 8 is a prime number?
8. No.
No. So I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 8.
Okay.
8. We need to finish side by side.
Okay. 4 times 2.
4 times 2. Then I will continue with 4. 4, can you find two numbers? If you multiply them, the answer is 4.
Yeah. 2 times 2.
2 times 2. 2 is a prime. 2 also is a prime. Just look at the ends. 2 is a prime. 7 is a prime. So what is the 56? 56 is equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So the
And-
main point in our lesson that you know the timetable. So which number have been repeated?
2 over
2
7.
is repeat. Just 1 minute. 2 is repeated how many times?
3 times.
So it will be 2 to the power 3. Then write times 7. That is the 3 number that have been repeated. Just write it as a power. Then the remaining writing without any change.
And Mr. Then I do equal 2 times 7.
Don't multiply. That is the answer. The question is again. The question is
times 7 just.
Yes, the question is write the prime factorization. It's mean I need you to write the prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? Which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. That's the lesson for last time. Then convert this result, the prime factorization, to be used by the exponent. We need to use the exponent, the lesson for today, in this form. So the exponent, what is the meaning of the exponent of the power? Is repeated of multiplication. Repeated the same number in multiplication. Which number have been repeated? 2 is repeated 3 times. So I write 2 to the power 3. Then multiplying by 7. I said we have 4 ideas in our lesson for today. So again, please, don't add anything extra required for the question. Please don't change it. Okay? Okay, so who can solve with me question number 14? Question number 14. Abdul Ghani. Ibrahim.
It's a break now.
Let's break now. Finish. 2 minutes. Still 2 minutes.
Okay.
We need to solve 68. I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 68. You just raising your hand to say that's break, you can go.
6 eighths.
6 times 8 equals 68?
No. Like 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8
equals 68. 8 times 8 equals 64. If you multiply it by 8 one more time, it will be more than 100. I need 68. I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 68. Choose any two numbers.
Divide.
Divide, no problem. This number is even, so it's divisible by 2.
I'm doing it.
So 6 divided by 2 equals? 6 divided by 2 equals?
Divided by 2 equals 3.
8 divided by 2 equals?
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
Okay, now we have 2 times 34. 2 is a prime number. I need two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer is 34.
2 numbers. Okay.
2 and 17. 2 is a prime number, and 17 also is a prime number. So 68 is equals 2 times 2 times 17. Can you write this one as the exponent?
2, the power of it is 2.
Yes. Times
17.
17. That's all. Any problem for this lesson?